What's going on, everybody? As you can see, I got the Limitless out here. Now we're gonna do a speed run on it for the first time in this big old open parking lot. So I finally got the GPS. So let's get this on right quick. Set it up right quick for you guys. Speed, peak. As you can see, it says 0. Enter, record, and let's get running. All right, I'll probably do only one pass, so let's see. First time, y'all, so be patient with me. Get my first pass going. Just the steering wheel right quick. All right, guess we ready. Let's go see. All right, first run, first pass, let's go. Oh shoot, tire came off. Oh man, well fellas, tire came off. I took the cover off already, see what we got. And 90 miles an hour. 90 miles an hour. Rookie mistake. I didn't check all the bolts, see if they was tightened. That was my mistake, but next time I will. But we got 90 miles an hour on the first run. I don't have no extra bolts with me. We're gonna end it right here with the video, and we're gonna try to get back out here Sunday and try it again. But as you can see, I got way more than enough room to run this RC car. I got way more than enough room to run this RC car. So yeah, I'll be back out here Sunday to get this run again, and hopefully, oh wait, look at there, we found the boat. Look where the boat is at, fellas. Let's get one more in. Let's get one more run in. All right, we got that boat back in. Let's go ahead and reset this timer right quick. Just go back, mode, put it on speed, peak, enter, stop recording, enter again to record. We at 0. Let's go. Put this back on here. I ain't got that much juice, so I gotta make this quick. Be back with you in a minute. All right, fella, we got that first one in. Just the second pass. See what we get this time. Call it a day. Bring her back. All right, here we go. Hopefully, it'll be a good pass. Full throttle. Woo! I was full throttle right there. Bring it back. Full throttle back. Coming back. One more pass, y'all. One more. See what we get. Woo! See what we get, fellas. See what we get for my first speed run today. Let's see. 88. Now the first one was better than this. We only got 88 on that one. Let's do one more pass. Stop. Record. Zeroed out, as you can see. Let's get one more pass. Then we'll call it a day. Last pass. Bring it back. See what we got this time. Got to get some good out of that one. Had her all the way open that time. See what we get. Up, we got 93 miles per hour, y'all. That's gonna do it for this one. We'll come back and run it next time. Hey, that's good for my first time out here with the Limitless. So 93 is good enough for me right now. See y'all on the next video. This is Icon RCs. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe always. But thanks for watching. See you in the next video.